Hello, good afternoon. It is now 12:51. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. So in this video, I am going to do a spring cleaning in my kitchen. When I tell you that my kitchen is a disaster, I am not exaggerating. I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. I'm pretty sure my pantry and my fridge have expired items. Salad dressing spilled in my fridge. My sink is full of dishes. So that's what this video is gonna consist of. And also, as you can see back here, I did some grocery shopping. I just got back from Publix and I got all of my groceries to restock so that everything is nice, restocked, and just ready for me for the next upcoming weeks. I have an exam in about 2.5 weeks. So I wanted to make sure that my kitchen was clean. This is gonna be kind of like a series, like a springtime clean with me series where I'm starting in my kitchen, then I'm gonna do my bedroom and my living room, and then last I'm gonna do my bathroom because I do wanna declutter and organize a little better in there. So that'll be the last video of this like cleaning series. So yeah, I am ready to get started. I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with. Trust me when I say it's bad. I'm gonna start with the thing that isn't that bad, and it's my pantry. So this is my pantry. I wish I had more storage space up there. I'm gonna have to talk to the office to see if they have an extra shelf so that I can put things that I don't use on a regular basis, like plastic cups, plastic spoons, even though I do have space for it in here. Let me just show you guys real quick. So there I keep plastic plates and plastic spoons that I do not use. Those are the containers that my mom uses to pack me food, so I like to keep those. But this is how it looks. It goes pretty deep. And there is some form of organization in here, but it could definitely be better, especially this. I mean, I don't even know what's going on here. All right, let me keep going. So this situation that we have right here, I bought this. You guys would have already seen that in my shopping haul video, but I mentioned that I lost my lunchbox, but I found it in my car, even though I thought I checked in my car. I'm honestly afraid to open this because it's been in my car for such a long time. So yeah, but I'm just gonna donate this. This might sound a little extra, and my boyfriend made fun of me about it. So you see the way this opens, and it just makes it uncomfortable to put things in and take them out because of these flaps. I know it's such a first world problem, but it's significant enough for me to have wanted to get another lunchbox. And maybe, you know, like subconsciously I lost this. I don't know, but I know I couldn't find it, so whatever. This one, it just opens up all the way. And it just makes it, I don't know, I'm all about convenience, and this is much more convenient for me. Like the little things in life that can bring you just less stress, even if it's minute, doesn't matter. Do it. Do it for you, sis or brother. Do it for you. Anyway, so this is the sink situation. I don't remember why my mom and I bought these, but they're great for mixing salad. So I'm keeping them. Let me show you guys my fridge. So this is my freezer. There's no organization here at all. I have breads, chicken, frozen blueberries, kale, spinach, plantains. This is what this is looking like. No form of organization. And then, dun, dun, dun. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is embarrassing. Oh my God. Like, what? Just, there are so many things that are expired in here. And this, I'm pretty sure this is expired. This expired January 29th. Oh my gosh. So this is what the door looks like. So yeah, I gave you a rundown of my kitchen, and as you can see, it needs help. So I am going to get to work, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. Click like if you're enjoying it. subscribe, and comment below if you're spring cleaning and what your spring cleaning schedule is looking like. I'll also put at the end my grocery haul as well as before and afters because those are my absolute favorite. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. All right, so I got the dishes done and all the surfaces clean, so that way when I start to clean out the fridge, I could just put everything on top of that and I'm not making double the mess. And I'm gonna get started on this. Oh my God, this organic carrot turmeric juice is disgusting. I got it at Trader Joe's and I was like, oh, this is like healthy, but you know, it's juice, so it might taste good. When they say 100% carrot and turmeric, they were not lying. I'm gonna flush this down the drain and recycle the bottle because no ma'am.
to the place, dispatch you from a race. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, the flat was on your face, and then from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away.
This is what things are looking like now. I was able to throw away, this was empty, completely empty. So I was able to throw away a lot of expired things. I don't like throwing away food, so I'm trying to be more conscious about like what I'm buying and making sure that what I'm buying are things that I'm actually gonna eat. The problem was that I would buy stuff and then I go home frequently, like at least once a month. I won't be doing that this summer and next year because, well, next academic year for MD2, we're so busy that I probably won't be able to go back once a month. So I would buy things and then in a few weeks I would leave back home and it was just a hot mess. So I'm making a point of only buying the things that I will absolutely need for maybe like a week, 2 weeks time, and then go like that so that I don't waste any food. I feel bad wasting all the food. All right, so I'm gonna take everything out so that I can clean the fridge and then organize it.
Say that I want you, you know that I want you. Oh,
It's completely empty, so I'm gonna get to cleaning it.
but moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Oh, wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Right, I just finished cleaning out the fridge and I'm gonna put everything back in.
We make your ways always fine. And if you could read my mind, we cross this road tonight. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love, 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 fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love.
Oh no. Oh.
I don't wanna fall in love. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall.
Oh my god. Okay, but oh my goodness, all of these bags. I didn't realize I had so many. Look at this. Thumbnail. I have to get rid of a lot of these bags because this is just ridiculous. I can't even believe it. I'm just gonna, so this was a bag full of bags already. This was before I knew better. I use reusable bags now. I'm going to put all the food away and I will show you guys the final reveal. There's just... All right, this is my fridge fully stocked. That right there are leftovers. Looking so much better. It is filthy in here. I am finally done. It's 3:56. I'm not sure how long it took me, but I assume it took me at least 2.5 hours. Like, I have been put to work today. I cannot wait to show you guys how everything looks. I am so excited to have my kitchen so clean and restocked. I can't wait to show you guys. I got rid of an entire trash bag of stuff and a bag of recyclables. gonna show you guys everything that I got from Publix. Got some energy drinks, Alani Nu and Celsius. Some of these salads, these are the best salads at Publix. They're so good. There were 2 for $6, delicious. Some OJ, low acid because acid reflux is real. Some salmon, chicken thighs, ground turkey, chicken wings, Parmesan cheese, some Epsom salt, my moisturizer and cleanser, whole grain white rice, popcorn, ramen. I feel like you always have to have ramen, even if you don't eat it every day and it's not your go-to meal, just for those days where you're just like, whoa, I am tired, but I'm hungry and you want to make something really quick. I don't see anything wrong with ramen. Some more eggs, plantain chips, maca powder. I've never had this, but I want to get into making smoothies more, so I bought it, and so we will see how it goes. Some strawberries, oranges, and some mushrooms. So yeah, so this is what I got from Publix. I am so happy that I was able to clean my entire kitchen today. I'm gonna show you guys a little preview of what's coming up next. I hope you guys are excited for what's coming up next. As you guys saw, my bedroom and my bathroom are a complete disaster, so I cannot wait to get that all situated. So anyway, I will catch you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.